Mbarara Research Center has been hosting a TB dissemination workshop. It was quite interesting to bring together all the different stakeholders involved on TB, from the Ministry of Health, from the Makerere University, Mbarara University, but also people working in the field with patients. It was great to see all the advent on how research can actually contribute to address the main challenges. What we are getting from the workshop is that we need better diagnostic for TB, we need shorter treatment, and we need all those interventions that will allow us to bring the services to the community and not the community to the hospital. There is still a lot to do, but we believe that with the partnership of partners like Doctors Without Borders, TB Speed, and many other partners, there will be some innovative and homegrown solution that has been discussed. And the most important, that those evidence has to be integrated in the national program to ensure that the research that is being done actually make a difference and ensure that no one is being left behind because of that disease of tuberculosis, which is highly connected with poverty.